The internet is filled with sensitive comment, ranging from topics of racial discrimination, gender identity, and other similar subjects that make it extremely difficult to feel comfortable in a harassment-filled environment. Following the mission of Quelly Hacks Empower Them, our goal was creating a way to avoid exposure to harmful information on the web. With our end product, we hope that browsing the internet will feel more secure and inclusive to Chrome users. During this hackathon, we created a Chrome extension using the Google API to reach our goal. We split our extension into two parts: functionability, to search for certain flagged words or phrases on the web page, and customization, to improve user experience. Coded with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the extension searches for harmful words on the user's current web page and blurs out the section of that text. Users can then hover over the text to reveal the content if they wish. In order to determine which words constitute as harmful, we implemented a natural language processing Python module using a decision tree and a hateful speech dataset. Since Python cannot directly communicate with our extension's JavaScript files, we needed to use Flask to host a server that answers jQuery requests using Python. We created a way for the user to toggle a flagging words filter, change the blur color, and select the blur sensitivity, in essence, how much of the text surrounding the flagged word should the extension blur out. Here, we needed the pop-up script, the code that controls the extension pop-up, and the content script, the code that controls what is happening on the user's current tab, to communicate with each other. But due to the way Chrome extension files need to be set up, we had to use chrome.storage.sync to store and access data in the Chrome browser. We would like to implement more datasets to train the flagging words feature on the user's webpage, which will also make the toggle option in the extension pop-up more reliable. Furthermore, in order for the public to use our extension, we will need to host Flask on an external service as it is currently being hosted locally. Nonetheless, we feel that with our Chrome extension, through learning the Google API and natural language processing with Python, we were able to make internet browsing feel more secure and inclusive by mitigating exposure to harmful information on the web.